morning, students. Hi, how are you all? I hope you are good. Okay, students, yesterday I have said you in the lesson peace and harmony. What has happened yesterday? We have seen in the yesterday class, right? What has happened? All the animals, the jackal came and disturbed all the animals, and that jackal polluted all the animals' mind, and it created the disturbance between them. Yeah, you have seen yesterday, and they did not create the musical evenings, and they did not have any happiness, and they was very sad, and they was crying. So they have some disturbance among them. Okay. So the moon and stars were what they became sad, and these animals was crying. No one is there for helping them. Yeah, we have seen that yesterday. So today we are going to continue our lesson. Okay, children, I am reading the lesson. Please point out where I am reading. That so that you can know each and every word clearly. Okay. Now it was easy for jackal to hunt the smaller animals and birds. Yeah, I have said you right. But what is the jackal's real aim? The real aim of the jackal is to hurt the animals. It want to kill the animals and it want to eat. Okay. So it is not possible when all animals are together and unite. So that jackal created the distance between them, and it is starting now to hunt the smaller animals. Okay. And when smaller ones cried out for the help, no one came to help them. One by one the little one disappeared. The forest left as animals were afraid. There were no more musical evenings. The moon was sad and cried. So the jackal was going on killing one by one. Okay. So from the small animals, all the animals are seeing this all. So what they'll do? Fear will be starting on them. No, fear will be starting. So they was very afraid that jackal will come and kill them also. So they cried so much. The moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals and the birds as Sadhu. As soon as Sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. So the moon thought for a while and decided to come down among the animals. So the moon was seeing these all things. So the moon was very sad that the animals are creating among themselves a disturbance. So the moon thought that it wants to come as a sadhu down and get these animals together. So the moon was very sad and that decided to come down as a sadhu among the animals as bird as sadhu. Okay, as soon as Sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. As soon as Sadhu appeared in the forest, the animals and birds approached him and narrate their tales of woe. Students, here you have to underline this word, woe. What is woe? You have to find out the meaning of that one, okay? They cried, sobbed and blamed each other for disturbing peace in the forest. Underline sob. So what is sob? Sob means saying and crying. While crying will say no, mummy, I don't want, like that it will say and cry. No, that is called sobbed, okay? Saying and crying. Okay, then sobbed and blamed each other for disturbing the peace in the forest, and Sadhu listened to them. So the animals one by one among themselves only they have started creating the distance between them. And what they did, they started blaming each other that you only did because of you only the peace and harmony is disturbed in the forest. Like that they have started blaming each another. Okay. So the Sadhu, what he is doing? He is listening all their words. The Sadhu brought together the lions and rabbits for a common meal. He visited the python and viper and had a long chat with them. So what the Sadhu did? The Sadhu is now seeing. Sadhu is starting them to get together. Okay. So what he is doing? He brought lions and rabbits together. You know, lions and rabbits. Lion and rabbit. These two are enemies, right? So, what he is doing, he is getting the two animals together, lions and rabbits. He is getting the lion and rabbit together for a common meal. He visited the python and viper and had a long chat with them. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks. So eagle will attack the small insects and small animals and organisms, right? So eagle and chicks are also enemies. What he is doing? He got together the eagle and the chicks, and he said the eagle not to eat the little chicks. Okay. Lost the one. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild deer to nearest market. He played with the bulbul, the owl, and monkeys. The tiger and wild deer nearest market. He played with the bulbul and owl and the monkeys. So he played with bulbul and owl and also monkeys. But the jackal was very angry with what sadhu was doing. By seeing this jackal, jackal is seeing these are what the sadhu is doing. Why? Because jackal wanted to make a distance among them. But what this sadhu is doing, he is getting together all the animals. So what jackal is the... So jackal was very angry what the sadhu was doing, okay? He did not want the animals to live in a peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So what this is doing? This jackal wanted to attack the sadhu. Why? Because sadhu is getting all the animals together. That's why the jackal does not want him to do like that. So the jackal decided to hunt the sadhu and kill the sadhu. One day the animals, insects and birds held an emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and plead with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but I'll help you in a different way. Unanimously, underline this word. Unanimously. What is unanimously? That means together. That means united. United. So next, one day the animals, insects and birds held an emergency meeting and on the decided to open the sadhu. Okay. So one day the animals, insects, birds, these all kept an emergency meeting. What they wanted to do? They wanted to ask the sadhu. They wanted to request the sadhu that to help him, that to help these animals. They wanted to request it, okay? The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. So these animals went to sadhu, they kept a meeting and they asked sadhu that please help us like that they asked. And what the sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but I will help you in a different way. Not means what is he saying is the killing is not the correct way. I will help you in a different way. I will plan another way, another method. Like that he was saying. Okay. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. When the sun went to sleep, okay, at the night. What the jackal planned to kill the sadhu. So this is the right time that jackal thought that, and in the night time, jackal went to the sadhu, and jackal was waiting to kill the sadhu. The sadhu who had been lodging nearby came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. Take me today for your meal. So what the sadhu did? Sadhu thought that sadhu has seen the jackal roaming here and there. So sadhu can understand everything. So sadhu knows that jackal want to kill sadhu. So what he did? Yeah, take me away for your meal. Sadhu said like this. Take me away for a meal. The jackal who had been waiting for this opportunity dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. Dragged means pull. So after saying okay, this is a very good opportunity, the sadhu only is saying me to eat, like that jackal is thinking, and after saying that, immediately what the jackal did, he pulled the sadhu and he ate off. Next, the sadhu ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu and lonely place to him into pieces. How did he dragged the sadhu, he tore him into pieces and he ate off. Jackal. The animals were very sad and they disappointed what has happened to the sadhu. So what the animals were doing? They were very disappointed. they were very sad that Sadhu came to help animals. Okay, so the jackal even he ate of Sadhu also. So what animals will do? They are very afraid of them. They got very fear. Okay. So all of them, so the animals what they was thinking, okay, even he ate of Sadhu also. Next day he will come and he'll eat our animals also. He'll eat of us also. Like that they was thinking, and they got very afraid of jackal. What this was surprised them. So they what animals did? Animals all ran into the jungle in here and there. There was very hurry. They ran here and there. So hungry jackal would appear next to them. Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. What is so surprised them? So immediately one strange voice they have heard. That voice afraid them and all the animals ran here and there. So what that voice, okay, we see. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to bloat until okay. So these animals saw the jackal. The jackal's stomach was growing bigger and bigger. How means if you overblow the balloon, it will blow, it will become big and it will burst, no? Like that only the jackal's stomach is becoming. It's becoming one by one bigger and it is ready to burst. It is ready to burst. Like that it is becoming. It continued to blow until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice. See, again then they heard a very soft voice. Like very clean and very clear voice. May my animals, birds and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. See, who is saying this? This was said by Sadhu. Okay, this was said by Sadhu. Sadhu said this word. May my animals and birds live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me, not be afraid. Like that the voice came. That voice was Sadhu's only. Okay. Actually see here what happened. The jackal ate of the Sadhu. The Sadhu, who is the Sadhu? The Sadhu was a moon. He came down in the appearance of Sadhu. Okay. So what the Sadhu is doing in the jackal stomach? He ate in the jackal stomach. No, bigger one. Okay, that means he is punishing the Sadhu. The Sadhu is punishing the jackal. Okay, here you can see, and that these words, may my animals, and these words said by the Sadhu. So when they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brilliantly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. So when these all animals looked at the sky, the moon was very brightening that day. The moon was very brightening, more glowing. Okay, brightening is glow. It was very giving very light, and it's very too much of brightness. It's giving too much of brightness. It's like it's giving milky brightness. Okay. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and sleep in the peace. Again, after this all happened, he had punished the jackal. Sadhu was punished the jackal. So the animals once again they was very happy and they was roaming here and there with singing and dancing. All the animals are united. Now they are in peace and harmony. So what the mistake they have done? They have come into a conclusion. Okay, what the mistake they have done? They have come into the conclusion. They invited the moon and again see they have invited the moon and stars for the cultural evening. So as first as I have said you in the starting of the lesson, now after removing these all sadness and these all again the animals were very happy. Okay, they were very happy. So in the picture what we have learned, the animals are very happy, they are united. So unity gives you happiness. Unity gives you happiness. When you divide yourself and your friends, that will give you some disturbance and that will give you a distance that creates a sadness. So, what is the summary of this lesson? What is the summary of this lesson? You have to be together. You have to believe in oneself. If anyone, any friend comes and said you, say about your friend, you will believe? No, you should not. Because you should know about themselves and you should believe them and be friendly with each other. Okay, students, be friendly with each other. So, find out the meaning. So the students find out the meaning of WOEO. Okay, this is your work. You have to find out this meaning. Okay, so students, we have completed this lesson, and tomorrow, what we do? Tomorrow we'll do the grammar part. Okay, students. Okay, thank you.